Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you. So how to fix problem Snapchat memories not sorted by months. So first thing, just go to the settings here. After, you just need to find here memories. So just please find memories. Let's just find here memories. So here you could see that. After, you just need to please check if you're successfully backup completed. So just check this thing. So after, you could also just try to check your settings for date and time. So let's just go to the settings. In the settings, we just need to find general date and time, and here you just need we just need to check if we set up automatically. So thanks for watching, have a nice day. Also, another thing you could try also to go to Snapchat. After, just find clear cache here option. So let's just go back, and here you will see clear date. Just open that, and here you could also just clear cache. And the latest option you could try also to update your application. So just go to App Store. After, you could also just find here Snapchat and just tap on update button if you have available updates. Also, please download my application. I will add link to description and to comment. So thanks for watching. Bye.